你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will continue to update Chinese language learning courses and share Chinese culture. If you are interested, please follow me. Today we will learn vocabularies about career. Okay, let's start. First, teacher. 老师 Please repeat. 老师老师 Next, doctor 医生医生医生 This officer is 警察 Please repeat. 警察警察 Okay. And actor is 演员 Please repeat. 演员演员 Next, writer is 作家作家作家 Very good. Photographer is 摄影师 Please repeat. 摄影师摄影师 Okay, next. Designer is 设计师设计 means design. Please repeat. 设计师设计师 And chief is 厨师 Please repeat. 厨师厨师 Finally, reporter 记者记者记者 Okay, let's review. Teacher 老师老师 Doctor 医生医生 Police officer 警察警察 And actor 演员演员 Writer 作家作家 Photographer 摄影师摄影师 Designer 设计师设计师 Chief 厨师厨师 Reporter 记者记者 Okay, if I want to know what's your job, I would say 你是做什么工作的？你是做什么工作的？你 means you, 做 means do. 什么 is an interrogative pronoun, means what. 工作 means job. 的 is a particle pronoun, so together is 你是做什么工作的 means what's your job? And I'm a teacher, I would say 我是老师。我 means I, 是 means am, 老师 means teacher. So together is 我是老师 I'm a teacher. If you want to say he is a policeman, you can say 他是警察。他 means he, 是 means is, 警察 means policeman, and together is 他是警察。他是警察。He is a policeman. Alright, that's the vocabulary about career we learned today. Maybe it not cover your career here. Don't worry, we will continue to learn more vocabularies in the future lessons. Okay, let's review. Teacher, 老师，老师。Doctor, 医生，医生。Police officer, 警察，警察。Actor, 演员，演员。Writer, 作家，作家。Photographer, 摄影师，摄影师。Designer, 设计师，设计师。Chief, 厨师，厨师。Last one, reporter, 记者，记者。And if you want to ask someone about his job, you can say 你是做什么工作的？你是做什么工作的？ I am a 我是 He is a 他是 Very good. Okay, that's today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. Goodbye!